ministry had indicated that it would be the police that would release the autopsy results when they were available, the post-mortem results, toxicology and pathology. So personally, I wasn't expecting the results from this particular press conference. He did debunk certain theories, perhaps, and give us a little bit more detail, but mostly on the nuts and bolts of the procedure. One thing they said was they do not have a DNA sample from a next of kin, which kind of debunks the idea that the son of Kim Jong Nam, Han Sol, had arrived in Malaysia and perhaps been sneaked into the hospital last night. There was some speculation on that score because a large number of special forces of Malaysian police arrived at the hospital, but that was apparently because of some cause of concern about two Koreans that were loitering, were seen in an area they shouldn't have been and behaving suspiciously. But one of the people they arrested turned out to be a journalist, in fact. What he did say was that there was no evidence of a heart attack. There was no obvious puncture wounds of any kind, seeming to rule out the idea of any kind of needle being involved, at least. There was no conclusive evidence at this stage of anything until the test results come back. With the chemistry department, they had left the hospital, so he couldn't speculate on when those might be available. He still definitely reiterated what the Malaysian police are saying, that they want the next of kin to come forward, but he also indicated that there are other means of positive identification, such as dental records, for instance, or distinctive scars and the like. But so far it sounds as if they have not received any dental records that would help them match to the deceased and be able to prove categorically that this is Kim Jong Nam. So the wait continues for these categorical tests to find out what in fact killed him, and also for the DNA sample for the next of kin, so that they can confirm once and for all that this is Kim Jong Nam. So a bit of a frustrating news conference in that respect, if we were expecting some huge revelations, I have to say.